I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix no sound on YouTube in under 1 minute. So better keep watching to the end. Let's get started. Head over to the video that you can't hear the sound from and go for it here and make sure you adjust this volume. Probably did that, and you probably did also check the sound from your PC or your device. But if you're using Chrome, let's check if you are muting that tab. Right click on the top of the tab. As you can see, mute site, and right now the video is muted. As you can see, the tab is muted. Let's go ahead and unmute the site so we can hear the video. If the issue is still not fixed, go ahead and search for volume mixer, volume or sound mixer, and go and adjust to your app that you are using to browse for YouTube. In my case, it's Google Chrome, and maybe you're using Microsoft Edge or another browser, so make sure that you adjust the volume from here. I hope that one of these methods help you fixing the issue. If it is, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.